Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Finch pet clothes and colors. Finch is a self-care and productivity app designed to help you build healthy habits through daily goals, reflection and mindful activities. As you complete your task, you earn rewards that help your Finch pet grow, explore and stay happy. One of the most enjoyable features of the Finch app is customizing your Finch pet with different clothes and colors, and in this video you'll learn how to change your Finch pet's clothes and colors step by step. So first you need to open your Finch app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account, and once the app loads you will see your Finch pet on the home screen. And let's look at the bottom menu on the shop icon. This is where all the customization items are available, including your outfit, accessories and color options for your Finch pet. Inside the shop you can select all of the outfit here and tap on any item you own to instantly dress your Finch pet. If you want new clothes you can purchase them using the rainbow stone on the bottom over there. And in order to change the Finch pet color, at the bottom there's a color icon. Select to that color here and you'll find various color options for your Finch body, cheeks, wings or the features. And once you're happy with the outfit and colors, simply exit the shop and your Finch pet's new appearance is saved automatically. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.